Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert KMZ data from KMZ file into Word document. You can see on my computer I have a couple KMZ file. Let's select this one. I have a KMZ viewer installed. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside on KMZ file data-wise. And you can see I have a lot of data in here, but what I'm particularly interested in, it's a place mark. Because it's point of interest KMZ file and it has a place mark description. Here it is. Place mark description, place mark name, place mark description, and I have altitude, longitude of specific place mark. But mostly I want to get place mark name and place mark description from this file into Word document. And in order to do this, I will download and install application from this website. I will leave a link on the site into description. And to find application, click on search and type KMZ to Word. And I need this create Word document page, KMZ to Word application. And I click download. It's important to, before conversion, is to close KMZ file from any application. If it's open into any application, application may lock KMZ file from any modification or from accessing other apps to this KMZ file. So, so I close it into viewer just before conversion, because otherwise, if file is exclusively locked, you will get error. So here I have downloaded KMZ archive. I click on downloaded archive, KMZ to Word setup. To open it, double click on MSI inside the archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on file screen. And now I can close this and this and this. And you can see I have a new application, KMZ to Word, installed on my computer. So I'll double click on shortcut to launch application. And the conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select KMZ file. I'll click on this button to select input file. Navigate to my folder. I think it's in my documents. There is a specific folder called KMZ camel example, and I need this national park. File selected. I can select multiple files if I want to, but for demonstration purposes, let's use just one file. Click on next. Here I can select which exactly data from KMZ I want to export into Word. So I will scroll down and I need, I can use point coordinates, by the way. But it will be too big. Word table is relatively small. If I place too much columns into Word, it may be too much. I have to probably change. So let's import place mark name and place mark description, right? Just click on next, click on run. And it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And file has been saved. Let's go and open this file. And you can see it's nicely imported all place mark name and place mark description is here. And yeah, let's try to add place mark coordinates and see what happens, right? It's called place mark point coordinates. I don't know if this field is available in this camel file. So this is the thing, is like for every KMZ is like main file, but it could have a different information. It could be track, it could be point of interest. So you can try different fields and see if which if it bring data you need. So let's save this file. Let's see. Oh yeah, point coordinates, nice. So it's longitude and latitude into coordinates. See, so we have all data imported in here. Basically, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And hit that bell button so you will know what, because I will be releasing more application and more videos on KMZ conversion and GPS conversion on different formats and different applications. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching.